I'm doing a bike check on my 2010 Eastern Desist. Weighs 24.8 pounds without pegs. Got the first thing I put on it was the eclat gonzo slim pivotal padded seat. Second was the Shadow Conspiracy 13 grips. The grips on it before sucked, and these ones kind of suck too because they tear really easy. I got eclat Surge PCs on here. Um, Eastern Medusa lite sprocket. Eastern birectional cassette hub. Uh, Eastern sealed front hub. Eastern choker 3 stem. 8.25 rise bars. Um, the Eastern lever, just regular lever, it comes on it. Oh, and leave comments. I want to get the Eastern, fit down low drop stem in red. Let me know if that's a good choice, or tell me what one you think I should get. It's my bike check. Hope you enjoyed it.